Do not drink coffee alone. Add this to eliminate wrinkles and increase collagen. Do not drink coffee alone. Add this to eliminate wrinkles and increase collagen. Do you want to discover how to transform a habit as simple as drinking coffee into a powerful tool for your health and youth? Here, I will reveal it to you, and at the end, I will show you the exact way to combine all these ingredients with your coffee to multiply the results on your skin. I want to start by saying something important. Coffee, when used properly, can be a great ally for health after 60. It is not just a drink to wake up, but a true companion of well-being when consumed strategically. Coffee provides polyphenols, especially chlorogenic acid, which help fight oxidative stress, one of the factors that accelerates cellular aging. These antioxidants neutralize free radicals, protecting the cells of the skin, hair, blood vessels, and muscle tissues. In addition, polyphenols can help reduce chronic inflammation, a common problem as we age, which is associated with joint stiffness, loss of firmness in the skin, and decreased energy. It improves alertness and concentration. It is not just about feeling awake in the morning. Coffee helps your brain function more clearly, supports short-term memory, and can help you maintain attention on complex activities. This is especially useful after 60, when concentration can be affected by age. It gently stimulates the central nervous system. This means it activates your cognitive functions without producing extreme spikes of anxiety if consumed in moderation. The caffeine in coffee promotes the release of neurotransmitters such as dopamine and norepinephrine, improving mood and reducing the feeling of fatigue. It supports blood circulation. Coffee helps blood reach all tissues more efficiently, including the skin, muscles, and brain. This not only provides more oxygen and nutrients to the cells, but also improves the appearance of the skin by keeping it more radiant and luminous. It can support metabolism. Studies show that caffeine can slightly increase energy expenditure and fat oxidation. This does not mean that coffee alone causes weight loss, but it can help maintain an active metabolism, something key for older adults who often experience a decrease in metabolic activity with age. And in many people, it improves mood. Coffee stimulates a sense of well-being and can reduce mild symptoms of depression or apathy, which is essential for maintaining healthy habits such as physical activity and balanced nutrition. In addition, when consumed in moderation, coffee is associated with better cognitive performance and a greater feeling of stable energy throughout the day. This is not a momentary effect. It is real support for the overall functioning of the body. Before continuing, write the word coffee. If you want to rejuvenate your skin and look young starting today, good. This is where I want you to pay attention. I will tell you the most common mistakes when consuming coffee. Mistake number 1, drinking coffee on an empty stomach every day without accompanying it with nutrients. Drinking coffee alone upon waking can create a momentary energy effect, but in the long term, without protein or micronutrients, the cells do not receive the elements necessary to maintain firmness in the skin, stable energy, and an active metabolism. This is especially important after 60, when nutrient absorption and collagen production begin to decrease. Mistake number 2, adding large amounts of sugar or artificial sweeteners. Excess sugar can increase glycation, a process that stiffens collagen fibers and affects the elasticity of the skin. Artificial sweeteners, although they do not provide calories, can alter the intestinal microbiota, affecting the absorption of essential nutrients and overall metabolism. Mistake number 3, using coffee as a replacement for breakfast. Coffee is stimulating, but it does not provide proteins, healthy fats, or micronutrients necessary for a complete breakfast. Skipping the first meal can cause energy crashes, cravings for sweet foods, and imbalances in glucose, which in turn affect cellular recovery and regeneration. Mistake number 4, drinking it at any time of the day, affecting sleep. Although coffee provides alertness and concentration, consuming it too late can alter sleep cycles. Nighttime rest is crucial for cellular repair, collagen production, and hormonal health. A coffee consumed in the afternoon or evening can interfere with these processes, reducing the benefits you could obtain. Mistake number 5, thinking that coffee alone is already enough for energy and skin without providing proteins or micronutrients. Coffee partially protects thanks to its polyphenols, but it does not build collagen. It does not provide essential amino acids nor minerals such as zinc, copper, or silicon. That is why depending only on coffee leaves out the building materials necessary for the health of the skin, joints, and hair. None of these mistakes mean that coffee is bad. It means that strategy is missing. Now I want to share examples of real patients who are making these mistakes and how they managed to improve. Marta drank coffee as soon as she woke up and did not have breakfast until 2 hours later. She felt energy crashes at midday. What did we do? I asked her to wait 60 minutes after waking up, add protein to breakfast, and keep her coffee. Result, more stable energy and less craving for sweets. Jose, 72 years old, added 3 tablespoons of sugar to his daily coffee and felt that his skin looked dull and flaccid. What did we do? We replaced the sugar with a touch of cinnamon and pure cocoa, preserving the flavor, and added a hydrated collagen supplement to his breakfast. Result, greater firmness in the skin and a longer lasting feeling of satiety. Anna, 65 years old, drank coffee as her only breakfast while working from home. What did we do? We suggested a balanced breakfast with proteins, healthy fats, and quality coffee as a complement, not as a substitute. Result, improved concentration and less irritability during the morning. Louise, 70 years old, drank coffee throughout the entire afternoon and complained of insomnia and tiredness the next day. What did we do? We limited his consumption to the morning and early afternoon, maintaining a strategic cup before morning exercise. Result, better sleep, more consistent energy, and less feeling of fatigue upon waking up. Clara, 68 years old, thought that only coffee gave her energy and forgot to complement it with micronutrients and proteins. What did we do? We added a glass of water with lemon and hydrated collagen together with her morning coffee, incorporated chia seeds into breakfast, and pure cocoa into the coffee. Result, stable energy, more luminous skin, and less feeling of fatigue throughout the day. As you can see, coffee by itself has benefits, but when it is combined with strategy, proteins, and micronutrients, its effect multiplies. It protects, energizes, and contributes to maintaining firmness and vitality from the inside out. Now I want you to pay close attention because what I am going to explain next can transform your coffee from a simple daily drink into a true ally for your skin, your joints, and your energy. And this is not theory. It is based on how your body uses nutrients to regenerate itself and stay firm and healthy. Let's go step by step so you understand how to make the most of every sip. 1. Vitamin C, the collagen switch. First, let's talk about vitamin C. This vitamin is not just a boost for your defenses. It is essential for activating the enzyme that converts amino acids into structural collagen. Without vitamin C, the entire collagen synthesis process does not occur optimally, and your body cannot properly use the nutrients you give it. How do we apply this in a practical way? Very simple. When you drink your coffee, accompany it with a small glass of water with half a squeezed lemon. This gives your body the boost it needs so that collagen forms correctly and your skin, nails, hair, and joints receive the raw material they need. If you want to vary it a bit, you can also add a few slices of orange or a touch of kiwi on the side of your coffee. They are fruits that are easy to find, delicious, and loaded with vitamin C. In addition, they work in synergy with your coffee, enhancing antioxidant protection and internal regeneration. 2. Amino acids, the real raw material. Now let's talk about amino acids. For your body to produce collagen, it needs 3 essential elements: glycine, proline, and lysine. These are the true bricks that build your skin, nails, hair, and joints, and allow them to remain firm and healthy over time. The easiest way to incorporate them is by adding hydrated collagen to your coffee, just 1 tablespoon per day. And don't worry, if you choose a good quality collagen, it does not alter the taste, but it does enhance your body's internal regeneration. It is like giving your body the blocks and cement it needs to build firmness, elasticity, and strength from the inside out. 3. Extra polyphenols, antioxidant protection. Here comes a very important point. Although coffee already contains polyphenols, mainly chlorogenic acid, which act as antioxidants, we can enhance this protection even more. How do we do it? Very easily. Add a pinch of pure cocoa or a touch of cinnamon to your coffee. This not only increases the antioxidant capacity of the drink, but also protects your collagen fibers from glycation, one of the processes that stiffens collagen and accelerates skin aging. It is a small detail, but with an enormous impact on how your skin stays firm and healthy over time. 4. Key minerals, enzymatic activators. Now let's talk about minerals. Copper and zinc are essential because they act as activators of the enzymes that stabilize collagen. Without them, even if you have collagen and vitamin C, the fibers do not organize correctly and the firmness we seek is not achieved. A very simple way to incorporate them is by using pure cocoa in your coffee. If you want to go one step further, a little bit of spirulina powder not only provides minerals, but also plant proteins that your body can use to regenerate tissues. They are small details, but they make a big difference in the health of your skin and joints. 5. Inflammatory control. Another key factor is silent inflammation. Even if you do not notice it, it can constantly degrade collagen and affect your energy and overall well-being. This is where turmeric with a touch of black pepper comes in. Adding just a pinch to your coffee can modulate inflammation, creating a much healthier internal environment. This protects your collagen and also helps your body function more efficiently with more energy and vitality. 6. Improved absorption and digestion. For all these nutrients to work, your intestine must be prepared. It is useless to take all the ingredients if your body does not absorb them correctly. Some very simple tricks. You can take a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar before meals or incorporate fermented foods such as kombucha or yogurt into your diet. This prepares your digestion and allows the nutrients from the functional coffee to truly reach where they should, enhancing all their benefits. 7. Efficient circulation. Finally, remember that all these nutrients need to reach the fibroblasts, which are the cells responsible for producing collagen. For that, circulation is key. A touch of ginger or cinnamon, either directly in the coffee or in a separate infusion, can improve blood flow. This ensures that all the nutrients you are incorporating actually reach the cells that need them, enhancing the results in an effective and sustained way. Subscribe to the channel to receive more useful tips about skincare. Now I want you to pay very close attention to this because what I'm going to show you can completely transform your coffee, turning it from a simple daily habit into a true strategic tool for your health, your skin, your joints, and your energy. And the best part is that it is very easy to incorporate into your routine. You do not need to complicate things or change your daily life. It is simply about knowing the right ingredients and the way to combine them to enhance their benefits. My favorite functional coffee formula is super simple but extremely powerful. You start with a cup of quality filtered coffee, freshly prepared. And here, I want you to pay attention. The key is not only in the caffeine, which wakes us up and gives us energy, but in the polyphenols, especially chlorogenic acid, which protect your cells against oxidative stress. This not only helps maintain stable energy, but also takes care of your tissues, preventing them from degrading faster and promoting concentration throughout the day. To this, we add 1 tablespoon of hydrated collagen. This is the true building block of your body. Your skin, your joints, your hair, and your nails depend on it. And the best part is that it does not alter the taste of your coffee, but it does give your body the essential amino acids it needs to regenerate from within. It is like giving your body the bricks and the cement it needs to stay strong, healthy, and firm. Every sip becomes a gesture of internal care. Then, a pinch of pure unsweetened cocoa. This small detail enhances the antioxidant action of your coffee and protects your collagen fibers against glycation, a process that stiffens the fibers and accelerates skin aging. In addition, cocoa provides key minerals such as copper and zinc, which are fundamental enzymatic activators for your collagen to function properly and remain firm. We also add a pinch of cinnamon, which not only gives your coffee a delicious flavor, but also helps control inflammation and improves blood circulation, ensuring that all the nutrients you are taking actually reach where they are needed. The combination of cocoa and cinnamon with your coffee works as a comprehensive reinforcement that protects and optimizes the effects of collagen and antioxidants. And we cannot forget the glass of water with half a squeezed lemon. The vitamin C from the lemon is indispensable for activating the enzymes that transform amino acids into structural collagen. Without it, your body could not fully take advantage of the amino acids provided by hydrated collagen. In addition, lemon helps your digestion and enhances the absorption of all the nutrients we just added to your coffee. It is like giving your body a push so that each ingredient works perfectly. Tell me in the comments what your name is and how old you are. I deeply wish to get to know each one of you a little more. Now, I want you to see it this way. This is not just another drink. This is pure synergy. Each ingredient works together. Your coffee provides antioxidants and stimulates your system. Collagen and amino acids build from within. Vitamin C activates the entire process, and cocoa and cinnamon protect, optimize circulation, and ensure that the nutrients reach the cells that need them. Everything fits together perfectly, and each sip you take becomes a conscious act of care for your body and your overall health. A practical tip that I always give to my patients: prepare your functional coffee in the morning and drink it slowly, enjoying each sip. If you accompany it with a small breakfast rich in proteins and healthy fats, your body absorbs everything much better. This ritual turns your coffee into a moment of personal care, which activates cellular regeneration from the first sip of the day, optimizing not only your skin and joints, but also your energy and concentration. And here I want to emphasize something that few people consider. This is not magic nor complicated supplements. You do not need to buy rare ingredients nor follow extreme diets. It is only about taking advantage of what you already have in your kitchen, combining coffee, collagen, cocoa, cinnamon, and lemon in an intelligent way. This small change can make the difference in how your body feels, how your skin looks, and how your energy stays stable throughout the day. I want you to pay attention to this because what I am going to tell you can transform your coffee from a simple daily drink into a real tool for your health, your skin, and your joints. And best of all, it is very easy to incorporate into your routine. You do not need to complicate yourself nor change your day-to-day. First, start with a good cup of filtered coffee, freshly prepared. It is not only about caffeine, which wakes us up and gives us energy, but about all those polyphenols it contains, especially chlorogenic acid. These antioxidants help protect your cells from oxidative stress, keep your energy stable, and take care of your tissues while giving you that push to start the day with clarity and concentration. Then, we're going to add something that really makes the difference. 1 teaspoon of hydrated collagen. This is the building block of your skin, your joints, your hair, and your nails. It does not alter the taste of your coffee, but it gives your body the essential amino acids it needs to regenerate from within. It is like giving your organism the bricks and the cement it needs to stay strong and healthy. Each sip becomes a gesture of internal care. Now, to enhance the antioxidant action and protect your collagen fibers, add a pinch of pure, unsweetened cocoa. And if you want to improve circulation and reduce inflammation, a pinch of cinnamon works wonders. This not only gives your coffee a delicious flavor, but also ensures that the nutrients you are taking really reach where your body needs them. Do not forget to accompany it with a glass of water with half a squeezed lemon. The vitamin C from the lemon is indispensable to activate the enzymes that transform amino acids into collagen. In addition, it helps your digestion and enhances the absorption of everything that you just added to your coffee. If you want to vary a little, a few slices of orange or a touch of kiwi work just as well, giving extra freshness and vitamin C. And finally, we cannot leave aside breakfast. Your functional coffee is powerful, but it needs company, proteins and healthy fats. This completes the synergy. Some eggs, a natural yogurt with seeds, a protein shake, or a little avocado with whole grain bread. In this way, your body receives everything it needs to regenerate tissues, maintain firmness, and have stable energy throughout the day. If you follow this ritual consistently, each sip of your coffee stops being only coffee. It becomes a conscious act to nourish your organism, protect your skin and joints, improve your circulation and energy, and activate cellular regeneration from the first moment of the day. And the best part is that it is easy, practical, and accessible. You do not need rare ingredients nor complicated diets, only a little strategy and the correct ingredients. Share the video with family and friends that you know usually drink coffee in the mornings. Do not keep it only for yourself. Discover the powerful ingredient that you must add to your water to rejuvenate your skin. Click here. See you in the next video.